Two powerhouse credit cards, one epic showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, the effortless flat-rate Capital One Quicksilver. And on the right, the dynamic, category-maximizing Discover It cashback. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's lay everything out on the table. We're going to compare these two cards across all the stuff that actually matters. Reward structure, ease of use, intro offers or bonuses, annual fee, intro APR deals, foreign transaction fees, and extra features or perks. That's a lot, but honestly, that's the only way to know which one deserves that prime spot in your pocket. All right, let's kick things off with rewards structure. Because, let's be honest, that's probably why you clicked on this in the first place. Okay, so Capital One Quicksilver is like that friend who's just always there for you. 1.5% cash back. Every purchase, all the time. No drama, no tracking. You do get 5% if you book travel through their portal, but how often are you doing that, really? Now, Discover It cashback? This one's a bit more extra, but in a fun way. Every quarter, you get a new 5% category, like groceries, Amazon, restaurants. You never know what it'll be, but there's a cap, $1,500 per quarter. Plus, you have to activate, so it's a little high maintenance. And everything else, that's just 1%. So if you're organized, or you like playing the rewards game, this could really pay off. Honestly, if you want max cashback potential, Discover wins this round. Now, ease of use, oh man, couldn't be more different. Quicksilver is literally set it and forget it. You swipe, you earn, done. You never need to activate anything or keep tabs on categories. Discover It cash back? This is for folks who live for the spreadsheet life. You've got to activate categories every quarter, keep track, and plan out your spending if you want that juicy 5%. It's kind of fun for some people, but for everyone else, that's just a headache. Honestly, Quicksilver absolutely wins for simplicity. Okay, time for intro offer or sign-up bonus. Capital One brings the classic, meet the spend, get the bonus. Nothing shocking. Discover, though, oh, and this is cool. They'll actually match all the cash back you earn in the whole first year. So if you play it right, you could basically double your rewards. No catch, no max. But do keep in mind, to get the big match, you really need to go all in on those 5% categories. If you're game, you'll get way more value out of Discover here. Hang on, here's a fun fact you might not know. If you grab Discover It cashback, they'll literally match every dollar of cashback you earn in your first year. No limit, no kidding. That's like getting double the rewards if you play your cards right. Pretty wild, right? Annual fee? Honestly, total snooze here, but in a good way. Both come in at $0. Yep. You heard that right. Free to carry. No weird charges, no surprise fees. Tie. Intro APR, and this is actually worth pausing on. Both cards roll out the red carpet with a 0% intro rate on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months. Quicksilver's regular APR after that can get kind of spicy though. Discover? It usually stays a little lower after the intro ends. One thing to watch with Discover, balance transfers start at a 3% fee for the first couple months, and then jump to 5%. So, if you're thinking big move here, that could sting. Still, Discover takes it by a hair. Foreign transaction fees, or like what happens if you travel or shop online overseas, Quicksilver, absolutely no foreign transaction fees. You want to use it anywhere in the world, swipe away. Discover also doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. You love to see it. But here's the catch. It's just not mega accepted abroad, like Visa or MasterCard. So, in theory, awesome. In real life, meh. Quicksilver for the win. Seriously, not having to worry is such a lifesaver. Let's wrap up with extra features. Quicksilver brings some nice perks to the table. Travel accident insurance, extended warranty protection, and hey, free access to your credit score. Love that. Discover? A couple cool things. Free social security number alerts for you security buffs, and they'll actually waive your first late fee. Nice of them. But overall, Quicksilver throws down more, so that's our pick here. If you line these cards up side by side in a radar chart, you'll notice something interesting. Discover It cashback tends to jump ahead for those top rewards and intro bonuses, especially if you work the system. Quicksilver, though, scores big in ease of use, travel, and those bonus features. So it's kind of two different vibes depending on what you care about most. All right, bottom line, if you're all about keeping things easy and don't want to mess with categories, Capital One Quicksilver is totally your move. Swipe, earn, done. It just works. But if you actually get a kick out of strategizing and want to chase those high rewards, especially with that killer first-year match, Discover It Cash Back is where it's at. Pick your poison, lazy rewards or next-level earning.
Want even more no-nonsense credit card breakdowns? Hit follow, stay tuned, and keep your money working harder for you in 2020.